Morning, guys. It is about 7:15. I just got done getting dressed, did my hair, put on very light makeup. I still gotta do my lips, but I'm delirious. It's about to be 7:15 and I have the baby backpack, I have my purse, I have my phone, I have the bottles in the bag, and so now I just need to get the babies in the car, the bag in the car, and then head over to Starbucks because I desperately need some caffeine this morning and to get something to eat, and then get on the freeway to get to the baby's doctor's appointment by 8:45. I know I can do it. But right now, just the process of getting in the car with two babies that is not self-sufficient yet is so annoying, y'all. It's a lot. It's a lot. So, and I'm by myself. I have no one to help me. Hopefully, well, no, it should be because I did it yesterday. I put the stroller in the trunk yesterday because I took the babies for a walk in the morning time, and that's the reason why the stroller was not in the car. So I put it in there yesterday so I didn't have to worry about it today. But that is the plan for the day. And I think they got to get shots. And I'm not too happy about that. So this should be emotionally traumatic for me and them. And back at me because I have to take care of them. So yes, morning. Wherever you are, good morning. And I hope you have your coffee because my brain it's pounding. Did I put on deodorant? I'm gonna go put on some extra deodorant because I don't remember. So what do we have? We have the choices of a baked apple croissant, a pumpkin loaf, or cream cheese pumpkin muffin, iced apple crisp, pumpkin spice latte, but I still want to try the brown sugar situation. This line is crazy. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cars in front of me, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars that is behind me. And I have plenty of time to decide what I want from Starbucks. But yet, I don't know what I want. I don't know if I'm doing too much. I'm probably going to do too much. I want the pumpkin spice, but I also wanted to try the brown sugar. But I don't like pumpkin spice cold. I only like it hot. So I might just get the pumpkin spice. But see, I'm a cold person. I feel like I should just go ahead and get the ice drink because it's still hot. What the fuck? It's hot.
Hi, good morning. What can I get for you today?
Do you still have the brown sugar, sir?
Yes, I do.
Okay, may I have?
Espresso?
Yes, may I have that a venti with pumpkin cold foam?
All right.
And then, do you have the baked apple croissant?
Yes, I do.
Okay, may I have that as well?
You said a baked apple croissant.
Yes.
All right, it's gonna be $13.15 at the window.
Thank you. I hate going to Starbucks when there's a line and they be rushing because I can't even check to make sure my stuff is right. Anywho, this is what I got. It's good. It's so good. It's so good. Oh my God, I've been craving this since this morning, you guys. You have no idea. Fun fact, I used to work for Starbucks. I did 5 years as a store manager. And y'all, I'm so proud of that. I tell that to everybody, and it's still a conversational piece. I will go back to Starbucks any day. I would even do district manager, regional manager, because this is bomb. Although half the cup is cold foam. Like, where's my beverage? But we're not going to talk about it. Venti ice, brown sugar, oat milk espresso with pumpkin cold freaking foam. Oh my god. And this croissant, y'all, feels so tiny. Yo, this croissant is ridiculous. I should have got the sandwich. All right, you guys, I just arrived at the doctor's office and it is 8:12. And this coffee is so good. This is good too. This is so good. Or I'm just hungry as heck. You guys are so happy. Nash before his shots. Nico before his shots. Okay.
He got mad.
Yeah, he doesn't like anything. He doesn't like the bath. He doesn't like being in the car.
Really? Oh my goodness.
He's always fussing, and his brother just looks at him like, "What is wrong with you? What's going on over there?"
Oh.
Okay, so the slightly silly question. What's the easiest way to tell who's who?
Nash has a mohawk.
Okay.
Nico has a comb over.
All right, there you go. Nico, come over. Nash, mohawk. If you change your hairstyles, you better tell me.
Right.
Push them up over here. Okay. Who am I looking at?
I was gonna say, what is on your hands? Oh, Band-Aids.
I'm ready.
I was like, what? I got gloves at home. Yes, you are definitely ready. Oh my goodness.
Alright, try to hold his hands, okay? Okay, here we go.
I know.
I'm so sorry.
I know. I know. done. You're all done. Hey, you did good. Nash, on the other hand.
It was bad.
I know.
All right, you're good to go whenever you're ready.
Okay, thank
Have a good
you.
day.
Hi, puppy. I know it's Nash. I'm gonna get you some egg as soon as I put his clothes on. Alright.